In the tranquil valley, the stars shone brightly, bringing comfort and joy to all who lived there. Luna's heart raced as she noticed the stars behaving strangely, their patterns disrupted. Fear crept through the valley as the discord among its inhabitants grew, their safety threatened by the fading starlight. Intrigued by Luna's determination, Milo offers to join her on the starlight quest into the mysterious Whispering Woods. The forest whispered secrets as Luna and her companion delved deeper, seeking answers among the ancient trees. A stranger appears in the Whispering Woods, her voice soft as she weaves tales of a lost city in the clouds. Before them looms a daunting challenge, hidden within the heart of the Whispering Woods, waiting to test their courage. With a shared sense of purpose, Luna, Milo, and Ava set forth on their final journey, united in their quest to restore the starlight. Together, they unlock the ancient knowledge hidden within the lost city, bringing light back to the valley below. As the stars illuminate the valley, Luna, Milo, and Ava stand united, knowing that their bond and bravery saved their home.